How to make money on Amazon in 2021. This video will explain you in easy language that how easy is to make passive income from Amazon. What is Amazon all about? If you have ever used Amazon already, you have a better idea what the Amazon deal's about. It's all about just creating the easy link between buyers and sellers. It's totally about making things easier. Amazon is just working to deliver anything to anywhere in the world to anybody. Amazon literally makes people and brands a lot of money. That's because Amazon is the biggest selling platform, attracting almost 50% of online product searching. About 70% of US clients bought from Amazon in 2021. Amazon is the great bet to develop your bottom line. Now the question arises how? Here's how. First, determine your strategy. There are two ways to sell on Amazon. Firstly, you can directly sell to Amazon. Second option is to sell by yourself on Amazon. To start your business line, you must need to complete this checklist. Number 1. You must know all details of items that you are going to sell on Amazon. Number 2. Check either item is sold on Amazon already. If yes, what is the competition of that item? Number 3. Don't go against the rules and regulations of Amazon, as it's already a big game. Just swim with the tide. Don't go against it. Number 4. Identify the process that Amazon follows. Number 5. Compile all the necessary information and submit to Amazon. Number 6. Find out the software that simplifies the steps. Number 7. Create documentation and submit to the site. Number 8. Register the product on Amazon. Practice makes a man perfect. Do practice, test, and learn to help sales. Process order. Quickest way to earn profit on Amazon. Figure out the methods and process how your business gets more fame and profit. Selection of bottom line is crucial. Niche selection of the bottom line to start up the business or to select any product is crucial. For this, first your product must be physical, and then check out the market interest and competition. Connect your product with content. Half of the income must come due to the content that someone writes with product description. Let me explain with example. Check out this cool kitchen set, cost price $30. Selling price $120. Well, the profit is $90. Isn't it interesting? Make your product image clickable with authentic link. This is the key to get success in your business site, when you connect your product image with authentic and affiliate links. You can put your link in the keyword. Link with Amazon.com many times as you can. Connect your product with Amazon.com many times as you can. Ideally, you must link at least 10 to 15 times in one article. Product must be on sale or discount in holidays. On some especially days, for example on Easter, Black Friday, or some holy festivals, there must be some discount on products so that traffic is attracted towards your product. Never says stock is limited. Sell more and more. Never say stock is limited. Traffic may become disappointed for their favorite product which they want to buy from your reference board. Insert by button. Insert Buy Now button in your article and connect with Amazon link directly. Send people to Amazon.com. Convince people to buy anything from Amazon.com platform. When you track someone to Amazon.com, you will automatically get a fixed percentage if they buy in the next 24 hours, or they put things in their cart. Amazon is the largest developing marketplace. Many of the businessmen and brands get success on Amazon. It is a fairly and easy way to sell your product.